As developments continue to happen. Remember, it's now become a question of accountability, fixing accountability. Who's responsible? Is it just Indigo or also the government involved? Top government sources, in fact, are saying that accountability is going to be fixed, not just externally, but also internally. The DGCA, that is why, has been sacking, and that the sacking of these inspectors is also a reflection of that. Let's quickly take that forward with Payal. Payal, now it's also become a point of accountability. A question, of course, was also being posed in terms of who ensures that due diligence is done in terms of governance, whether it is the Civil Aviation Ministry or even the DGCA.
Well, the DGCA certainly is a regulatory authority, but Civil Aviation Ministry is, of course, the biggest stakeholder as far as this entire industry is really concerned in terms of India as well. But accountability has been fixed and accountability will continue to be fixed. There's also a pending inquiry as far as this entire mess is concerned. But overall, also, the minister and the government has been saying that they are not going to be shy to protect anybody. They're not going to be shy to, in fact, show people what mess they've really created. And this is just the beginning, is what I'm given to understand. So it's not just externally that they're seeking accountability from people like Indigo, but they're also internally doing whatever needs to be done. So that's the big message coming in from the government, saying that our accountability is only to the public. And how can you mess with the public just the way they did, last week around as well? There are many theories that are doing the rounds in terms of whether, Indigo did this deliberately or whether Indigo was well aware of the challenges that could be at their hand as well. But at the same time, the government is also trying to, in fact, make sure that they penalize Indigo. 10% of the flights have been cut. It might not appear very, very juicy to your and my eyes, but they actually mean a lot, because Indigo has been one of the biggest fleet operators in the country. And those fleets are being given to other airlines, whether it's Air India, whether it's SpiceJet. SpiceJet airline has also come up and said that they're going to be willing to fly 100 extra flights every day. So obviously, to make sure that people are not inconvenienced is the biggest focus, Akansha, because this is the winter season. People do go out a lot. People would have booked their tickets well in advance as well, and they do not want any inconvenience coming to them at this hour. So, on one front, where the accountability is being fixed, and one front where the probe is really on the other front, also, disciplinary action is being taken.
Absolutely. And it's interesting you highlighted the timing also, given that the holiday season is also on. Many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us all those latest